how you create resume or CV in Microsoft Word. As you can see, I have already have one as a simple and example one. So we're gonna make using really professionally using tables. We can create a lot of good template like CV, resume, or anything we wanted. Until now, you already know how to create attendance and how to create cards and all of that. And right now, it is time to create resume, okay, and CV. How you can do that in Microsoft Word? Of course, you can type just not just plain text as well. But how about really doing professionally with images and with the borders and like this thing with icons? So it's really a great thing, okay? And whenever someone looks at this CV, so they feel good about it, okay? Because he or she will understand that the writer had put time into it, okay? So that's very important. So as you can see, this is made with table, okay? That's why it's very aligned, it's very good setting. And you can do that to create using table. Using table, you can create anything, any template you wanted, very professionally. So we have one photo in here, and here's one column. Okay, here are rows. Okay, one row, two row, and three rows into one column. Okay, there's so basically to create this, we need one, two, three columns right now, and then we can then delete the rest in here somehow to create the pages. So let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna go and open Microsoft Word and click in here, open. So we're gonna need three at that part and three at that part. So I created already, and I'm gonna go in here, and you can see right now it's there, but you can see this one is a little bit tougher, okay, but we're gonna make that as well in here. So we're gonna create an extra. I'm gonna do click in here. So there you go. And there you go, it's very easy. I think that really can help. Okay, so right now let's copy the image. I'm gonna copy the image in here, paste it. Okay, oops, we don't have the image in here. So what do we, what if you couldn't bring that picture? So I'm gonna, because that is Microsoft Word, so no problem. That's Microsoft, that's Google Doc, okay? So I'm gonna bring in here, from here, and crop a photo, and bring a photo of mine. And this aspect ratio should be this much, really. Okay. Okay, let me crop it right now. And right now, let me crop to the shape, in here. Shape should be available. Oval and circle. Where can I find circle in here? I think circle is in here. No. It should be very easy, and it should be in here, really, circle. Oh, let me just do that. This is shape, and this is circle, and this is all of that. Oh yeah, I did it. So I created now, and let's go to here, bottom position. So we already created one, okay? We already did the somehow this part, okay? So I'm gonna also copy this one to save time. Of course I can type, okay? I pasted it right now in here. And now you can see a little bit tougher things in here, okay? How to create that. So let me just do a little bit like this. And right now you can see this, that it's created like that. And I'm gonna bring the text as well, like here. Okay. You can see right now, okay. You can see a little bit, it's a little bit tougher. Okay, I'm gonna delete this part as well. I can delete that. So we're gonna go to design, the layout, and erase. You're gonna erase this part. Oops. Let me just erase this part only. Okay, right now it's a little bit easier, I think. So we did it. A little bit bigger. Okay. And right now we have to create like this. Okay, I'm gonna go in here and design and pick up a no border at all. So in that way you don't see it. So in here we have top bottom borders. There you go. And I go to this one, PT, and choose the color. Let's choose this color and select it. It's not bigger, one bigger. Okay, this one is right. Okay, right now it's a little bit easier and we create it as the same as that, but still it's not the same as that. We're gonna work on it again. And we're gonna work this much was best. And it was we have it right now in here. I can go to height and width as of course. This one. Okay, we don't want to touch it right now. As you can see, it had a little bit of space. How you can create that? So we're gonna go to table properties, and we're gonna go to sail. Into the sail, there isn't anything about it. Okay, in the table, there isn't of course anything about it. That's bad news. Row, we don't have anything else in here. We don't have anything. Into sail, we don't have anything. Okay, how you can create a little bit of the space in here, like this space, that it fits more nicer. Okay, how you can do that? Let me think about it. In here, you have a cell emergence. Okay, we don't need too much thinking. We're gonna click on it, and left, right, it has top, bottom. We're gonna choose a bottom of 25. Okay, that sounds really nice. Okay, let's see. You can see right now it's the same as that, and the only thing is it's a little bit larger. Okay, well, one thing we should really do is right now, and we're gonna select in here, delete cells. And when we're gonna delete that, okay? Delete cells. No problem. We're gonna delete cells in here. Okay, no problem. That's fine. Let me go just border all and to see what I did wrong. Okay. So nothing. I should delete this one only. Okay. Yeah. And I'm gonna go back again. No border. And coming back in here. Border top. So there you go. I already made most of it. I'm gonna go in here. Paste this text in here as well. Okay, but you can type it, of course. Okay, we did now. So I'm gonna copy this too as well. Okay, right now, whenever I copied it, copied also this one, okay? So let me just do like this trick to have it in here as well. Design, draw. It should be like this. This one should be that, okay? I don't want that to be in here. So I'm gonna click in here, and remove that. Okay, right now we can see a lot of. We can also change this a little bit, this margin from the left, but if you don't want, that's okay. So don't take it too much serious, okay? And right now, let's go with this buttons. I'm gonna also copy paste them. We might not be able to copy paste the icons from it because they are coming from another site, but you can copy other sites as well, okay? You can see that it also copied the table for me. So right now you can see I did most of the work in my Word that really was possible with this, okay? And I also managed. You can manage this as well. Now this is a little bit nicer. So this is the cover CV that we already made in here, and I hope you liked it. So let's go down in here. So you can do like this, or there's top border and there's bottom border. And there isn't anything new and hard in here. Okay, you can also create like this table as well, which is very easy. Okay, pretty nice, press it forward.